Good morning, YouTube. This is Kaylani back with another video. Welcome to my channel. If you are new here, like, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you think about this video. So for today's video, we will be doing puppy training with Momo. Yay! So we're gonna do some puppy training today with Momo here. We're gonna get that started. We're gonna do some basic commands such as sit, stay, lay down, give me paw. So we're gonna be working on those today. So we started training from day 1. So it's been about 2 days now. So let's get into it. I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, we are going to start basic trainings and commands with Momo. Momo! Come here, buddy. Good boy, come here. We're gonna do some practicing. Sit, Momo. Sit, Momo. Good boy. So for today's treat, I just got some chicken and biscuit. Little cookies here. So we're going to use one of those since he's a really tiny guy. And we're going to start with some basic commands. So let me turn this way a little bit so you guys can see better. Sit. Good boy. Sit. Okay, you guys, I did want to lower the camera just a little bit so you could see Momo just a little bit better. Let me go like that. Perfect. Sit. Sit, Momo. Sit. Good. Good. So he understands sit, which is very good, Momo. Good boy. Okay, so now we are going to try give me paw, which is a little bit more difficult. So this is give me paw. Okay. Yes. Okay. Momo, remember that. Momo. Sit. Give me paw. Thank you, Momo. Good job. Sit. And high level of praise. I noticed this really well with him. Nope. Momo. Oh, what did you just do? Okay, sit, Momo. Momo. Sit. Good boy. Good boy. And not all the time do you have to reward with treats. You can just reward with praise, with some, but most dogs. So next, so for give me paw, let's see if you can do it again. Momo, give me paw. Thank you, Momo. Good boy. Good boy. Okay, so now what we're gonna do is just a basic wait. He's backing up from the tree. He's like, wait, Momo, okay? I'm gonna take this. Okay. Wait. 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 I'm gonna make him wait for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay! Good boy, good boy. Okay, Momo. Momo, sit. Momo, sit. Very good. Good boy. Okay. Now, I was working with him on down yesterday. Sometimes he gets it, it's a hit or miss. I'm gonna reward him with a little bigger treat this time for down. Okay, Momo? Down. Yes! Good boy! Good boy. Good boy. So, okay. Okay, we have down. How about stay and down? Stay. Let's try those two. Stay, 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 stay. Okay, Momo, good boy. You want a treat? There you go. Okay, come on. Let's go back over here. Over here. Come on, Mom. Sit. Sit. Good boy. So we did stay. We did give me paw. We did sit. We did down. That's 4. And for the last one here, since he is a little bit of a smart guy, he's super intelligent, actually. What am I saying? He's smarter than me. So for the last one, I'm trying to think of something here. We can do paw on knee. Okay, Momo, sit. And we're gonna call that, who's your best friend? Okay, Momo, who's your best friend? Me? Is it me? Sit, Momo. Momo, sit. Sit. Who's your best friend? Me? Yes! Okay, you guys can't see that. So leave over here. Momo, sit. Come. Sit. Good boy. So I signaled for Momo to put his paw on my leg, right? So I'm gonna tap on my leg and say, who's your best friend? And after that, I'm going to do super, super strong positive reinforcement, just because this is astonishing. Okay, Momo, come. Sit. Momo. Sit. Sit. Who's your best friend? Me? Yes! Good boy! Yeah? Am I your best friend? Are we best friends? Sit, Momo. Oh, your little nail stuck in me. Sit, Momo. Sit. Sit. Can we do it again? Can we do it again? For a bigger treat? Momo, who's your best friend? Momo, who's your... Momo, who's your best friend? Me? Yeah? Is it me? Yeah? Good boy! Good boy. And then if you guys can't see that, I'll try to do it from this angle. Come, Momo. Come. Momo. Sit, Momo. Momo, sit. Momo, sit. No, ready. Let me try to get him in the sit. Lower him into a sit. Good boy. Okay, let's try from this way. Momo. Momo, who's your best friend? Me? Is it me? Yeah? Is it me? Yeah? Is it me? Good boy! So that is who is your best friend, which I just learned how to teach, which is awesome. And so Momo and I are going to come back now. So if you liked this training video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, and I'll be right back. Good job. So you guys, thank you so much for tuning into my video and watching me train Momo. We will have many more training videos, Momo and I. So again, like, comment, and subscribe if you would like to support my channel. And again, thank you guys for tuning in, and stay safe and healthy. Bye, you guys.
Who loves you? Who loves you? Does mommy love you? Yes. Yes, does mommy love you? Does mommy love you? Does mommy love you? Does mommy love you?